Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select row and column in Microsoft Publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to select row and column in this table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu, then click table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table, then click the table and move this top, then resize the table some bit. Now we want to select row and column. Firstly select the row, click and drag on our mouse right up, then select the row. Then we want to select column, click the top of this table and click and drag on our mouse down. We can see we select row and column this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.